Hi, I hope you are doing well, everyone doing well. You already heard, like German government are giving 200 euro for to every student because of energy price has been increased a lot last 1 year. So German government has make a decision to give 200 euro for every student. So who are eligible to apply for this 200 euro? All students who are enrolled at a German university as of December 1st, 2022, and who have their domicile or habitual residence in Germany are entitled to the payment. In this video, I'll describe actually how you can apply this 200 euro very easily. Just 2-3 steps, and you will get this payment within 2-3 days. I got my payment in 3 days. First of all, I got one confirmation from the authority. Yes, my application is approved. Then after a couple of days, I got my payment in my directly in my bank account. So all students can apply for a one-time energy price payment 200 euro. So let's move how we can apply.
So let's go to the website. I'll give you the website link in the description box. Here is the website. You can have a look how many application already done, how many euro already distributed. So for this application you need an access code, and you need to select the state where your university is located, and you need a pin. So for that information you will get from your university the access code and pin. For me, we have a his portal, like we have a university portal. From there I got my key. You can see this is my university portal, and here is the key. I blurred my key, so I just copied the access code and put it here. Then I have to select my state. In my case my state is North Rhine-Westphalia. Then I need the pin. I got my pin from my university as well, so I put the pin. Now you need to have a Bund ID. Bund ID you may use in many purpose in Germany, like the government purpose. This is the different history. You may find lots of information in the website. So first of all you need to create an account. So you have multiple options to create an account, like online ID, identity, Ulster certificate, or if you have already account, then you can just go username and password. So for online ID, you need Ausweis in Germany. I hope you already have the Ausweis, like electronic residence permit. If you have electronic residence permit, just select electronic residence permit, then go. Uh, with your electronic residence permit, I think you also received a pin. Then you need to install this Ausweis app 2 application in your smartphone. Which smartphone has NFC supported smartphone you need. So you just put your Ausweis behind your mobile, and you need to go to the application. You will get the code and everything. So it's very easy. So I'll show you the Ulster certificate as well. So you need to go Ulster certificate. So for that case you need to select the certificate. I have already a Ulster account, so I have already this certificate. So for me it's very easy. If you don't have any account, then just you need to create. It's very easy also. So you see, this is my application. I already applied, so my application is here. I already told you, yeah, I got my 200 euro within 3 days. So if you click the application, you will see all the personal details. I blurred my personal details. So that's all. It's very easy. Just you need to have a Bund ID. Thanks for watching. Bye.